Hey guys, I just thought I'd post this little video online. I've been having trouble with my auxiliary in on the mine's a 09 Toyota Tacoma, but I think all the Toyotas have the same auxiliary input jack. In this case, mine's down here. I've taken my little cover off, but you can see it there. The problem I'm having is when you plug it in, you plug your auxiliary input in, you're supposed to be able to push the auxiliary in button and it will automatically switch over unless it thinks there's nothing plugged in, and it'll do nothing. So we're going to go ahead and fix this problem today. First thing we're going to do is obviously take out our input line. In the case of the Tacoma, we're going to want to pop out the AC controls here, which is easy enough, just nice and gentle. Screwdriver on the side. That just pops out like that. Then we want to reach down inside that little hole there, and you should be able to feel the back of it. It's a very long, block. If you can see it here, if I reach the back of it and pop it out, there we go. And it's popped out. So now that I've done that, I don't need to have this in. I can pop this back into place. Take the jack out there, take the little plug out the back, and now the first thing we need to do on this one is take off this little cover on the back, which can easily be done with a screwdriver. Alright, so you can see the little cover on the back here. You just need to push the little tabs in on the side here, push in the little tabs on the side, or get in and just give it a little. There you go. That just flew to the other side of the car. Okay. So there's what I've just taken out of there. And now if you take your screwdriver, you don't even need to. So you take your screwdriver if it's jammed in there and just give that a push and put this to the side. And this is what we're going to be working with today. What we're going to be doing today is, let's just get in close on that there so you can see what we're doing. We're going to be soldering together a couple of the little pins on here. We're going to solder together this pin here and this pin here. It's that one there and that one there. Not the one at the back, it's the middle one and the furthermost one. So let me go get my soldering iron fired up and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so what I've got for the piece of wire I'm going to use, I just took a little piece of one strand of wire out of some Cat 5 cable. Cut it to about maybe 1/4 inch long. Let's get a focus there, and actually that's hanging over a little bit more than I need it to, but basically lay it on top of those two pins there so that you can so when you solder it, it's only touching those two and not touching the other one. So I've got my soldering iron plugged in and I'm going to touch a little bit of solder on there and see if we can get that to stick. Okay, I've made the solder connections there. As you can see, it's the two pins there are connected by a little piece of wire. Add a little bit of extra solder there just to make sure they're a good strong contact. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. We still don't have auxiliary input yet, so let's plug this jack in down here and give it a quick test before we reassemble it. So now I should better hit auxiliary, and there we go. It's fixed. What I'm going to do is do a little sound test here real quick, just to make sure we do have both the left and the right channels. Oh, the light's not working.
Front, right.
Okay.
Front, left. Front, right. Front, left.
And you're probably not picking that up at the moment,
right.
But that is working fine. We've got the left and the right channels are all working. It looks like we fixed the little problem. Then I can switch back to CD and switch back to auxiliary. Even if it's not plugged in, it still gives me the option, which is better than what I had. I hope this helps you guys. And what I'm going to do now is just reassemble that box and snap it back in the hole.